Okay, y'all. So at that store, I saw that they had something called cinnamon bread. Literally, it smells so good. And you can see the cinnamon in it. And then it has this icing on the top, like a cinnamon roll. Y'all know we gotta try her. Okay. So you can literally see the cinnamon in there. Like, it's cinnamon roll bread. Like, and the icing on the top. Let's try it right here first. I dropped a piece. Imagine making French toast out of this. I might have to make some for y'all. It tastes like a cinnamon roll. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's very soft. The bread is like divine. Freshly made, baby. Clearly, the part with the icing is the best. The bread is the best thing I tried from the whole store. Period. I go out of my way. I figure out how to make this bread. 10 out of 10. Must recommend.